Olha a desgraça, deu um pulo.
Ah? Você conhece? Conheço. Deixou essa mulher lá.
So today we're at Wilderness Oasis, putting in the coping, starting pavers. Pool's been bond coated and tiled. Now we're getting ready for Marsite to come in middle of next week. Still got to get this coping in. Today's going to be a busy day out here. We've got the ground stripped. We're going to start putting paver base in. We've got the electricians out moving the wires. Coping is all in on the pool. There's even going to be roof material showing up. The wall for the equipment area is ready to go and built. So today's going to be a big, busy day. There's John. What are you doing, John?
Hey guys. So Nick, if you look right there behind you, our beautiful old pool light set up. It's seen its better days, and it was in place right here, and unfortunately right here is where the new paver deck's going to be. So I'm having to reroute power feed, the pool light conduits, which are 1 inches, and we're going to move it up here close. Don't pay attention to my zip ties on my box, that's just temporary, guys. And once I get this post set, buried back, and this will be our new junction for our pool lights.
All right.
Be good to go.
All right, so just a progress update. We have the main portion of the pavers completed. Everything's been sanded. We've got the walkway going out to the parking area done. Still got to complete the fire pit walk path, but the main pool area is pretty well complete. The pavers look amazing. We had a few tile that popped off. We'll get those put back on. We just cut the template for the granite spillover. Pool is ready to go. We have the electricians out working on putting the landscape lighting in. We really shortened this flower bed up. Tried to highlight these palm trees. We'll have uplighting on all of them. Now they really accent the property. So far everything looks beautiful. It's coming out really well. We're under a very tight time constraint on this job. So our next step is to get plaster in the pool, get everything turned on and fired up, and get this place ready to rent again.